What's up, guys? It's Junior, aka Semi here, bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you guys go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great new videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out anything we do on this channel. We do a lot of great stuff with live streaming, product review, tech review. We do a whole bunch of stuff, guys, that I completely don't want you to miss out because we do a lot of great stuff, guys. Alright, so today, you know what day it is. It's Wednesday. So what does that mean? Wednesday websites, and I got a brand new one right behind it, and this has been perfect timing because you guys know next week it is a week from today. It is Christmas, and this is not a Christmas thing or anything, but as most of you guys know, if you have kids, next Monday or this coming up Monday, they pretty much go on vacation for 2 weeks. So your kids are gonna be home bored. And this is a great website. Maybe they can have fun with it. Maybe you can do something with the kids. Or if you just want to spend time with the kids, this is another great website for you guys to do together. Trust me, guys, you might enjoy this. This is all for my parents mostly. This works great. So let me show you what I'm talking about. And the website behind me. Let me shoot myself down first because I know I don't want to see my big old head on the screen first. Alright, so we're going to shrink myself down. And this is the website called thetoymaker.com. Yes, it's a website about toys. And don't mean it's not physical toys and stuff like that. This is a great website because they do offer stuff you can use your printer, print out stuff, and create toys with, which is pretty awesome. I found this, I'm like, oh, it's perfect for the holiday break that the kids are all gonna have. This is mostly for my younger kids, because I know my niece, she's 8 years old. She loves doing stuff like this, so I know she will enjoy this. And I know if you have younger kids as well, they can enjoy this because they got creative minds. So this might be very good for them and keep them busy. Alright, so this is what the website looks like. You come here, boom, you're like, okay. If you click on the first one is something you could buy from them. And you can go ahead. It's a PDF book with a bunch of different stuff. It helps them. According to that, it says, practice your basic math skills with this book. It is $10. That's not the free part, but I did want to show you since it's on here. It says it has 56 pages of PDF files. It helps them with math for $10. There's also other ones that you might want to get them here that they might enjoy. Also, part of the, I think it's part of. Okay, so these are, once you buy this one, you get links to these ones as well that you can download and get them. A whole bunch of stuff here, but this is the paid version one. Now, if you want to do something for the free part, which most of you are here for that, this is the section you want to go anywhere else. So if you go to Otters, so if you want to go ahead and print stuff out, create stuff with Otters, this is the Otters that you can print out. So you click here for the PDF file. You click on here, it'll give you a way to print it out. You print this out, have them use it, print it out. Once you print it out, you could go ahead and dress them up as any way you want. Like I said, I want to dress them up as Indians and whatever this is over here. This looks like an Indian thing here. Print this out, and boom, you print this out, and you just cut it out and have them decorated and post it on the wall or something. Whatever they want to do, keep them busy. You know, this is something just to keep them busy while they're enjoying their time off, and you want them to do stuff. There's other stuff here. I could go over here. This is just the Otter section. Now you got the holiday section here. You can pick anything here from all these holidays here. So listen, we're in Christmas, so we're gonna go to Christmas theme stuff. These are all stuff that they could PDF print out and then create. So let's go to this right here, the Christmas Spirit Surprise Ball. You click on that, it'll let you print this out, and this is how you're gonna cut it to make it work. You know, you cut this out, and it'll create the ball, and you can put something inside the ball, and then it's just something to keep them busy and creative with. And it tells you all the instructions here to help them out with. Let's say Elf, relax Elf in his chair. You can do that. We're going to click on that and see how that one looks. This is the chair. You cut it out, create the chair, and after you create the chair, you can cut out the elf and put him on the chair, and there you guys go. Other stuff. And it gives you all this gives you instructions how to do it and everything. Just follow the instructions and you'll be all set. Just want to show, this is not going to be a long video, but they got other stuff here. Let's check out the free toys. So that was the holidays that we did. Check the holidays, the otters. So this is all this is free, guys. Look at all this. All this is free. So let's say you want to create a snail. This is a paper toy that you want to create. Snail mail stationery. Alright, so let's click on the butterfly one. Butterfly page. Boom. This is just, if you guys know what this is just to print something out. If you want to write a letter, if you have something like a headboard and a bottom line board, boom, right there. Create that there. Alright. Let's see what else they got here. A bug box. I don't know what a bug box is, but this is what it is. It prints this out, and then you can printable version. Boom. Print this out, and they create a bug box for themselves. So as you can see, there's tons and tons of stuff they could do here. You could go through it. A lot of great things they could go ahead and find out. You could print this in the black and white format, so have them color it the way they want and put it all together. Yes, they do have options for the color ones, but it's very simple. If I go to bug box, let's do this. See the bug box? That's how it comes out. This is what you create. It's already pre-color already. So if I want to do this, okay, see, it gives you the option here. Click here for a black and white template. So you only get the black and white here. So they can create the box and design it however they want to do it. Simple as that. Or here's a little step forward that you might want to do, which how I probably would do. If they like this design, they want to keep this design, click the printable version, and then when you print this out, instead of color, change it to black and white. Boom. So it gives them the option to color it how they want. If they want to do a different color or anything by hand, or design more stuff to it, there you guys go. You can do it that way. So there's many things you can do on this website, especially to keep your kids busy, especially with the creative minds. This is a great website for them to use as parents. Give them to them and help them out with little different things here, and a lot of stuff here. Here's some toy letter ones. Let's see what this one is. You can look through all these toy letters if you want. And then you got About Me. This is their website. The person that created the website. This is the person about Marilyn. She created this website for the kids. And visit her shop. You got stuff here that you can buy if you want to buy stuff here to help your design and stuff. Up to you. But guys, it's tons and tons and tons of stuff here, guys, you can check out. So really, that's all I wanted to show you today, because it's a great little website for the kids, especially for the holiday week, 2 weeks that they're off. This is a perfect thing for them, and I just wanted to bring this out to you guys. If you enjoyed this video and everything I showed you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you've got any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so at the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you're not going to want to miss out. And that's it for today. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.